Scientists have just found evidence that raccoons might be domesticating themselves, changing biologically in response to living near us. A new study from the University of Arkansas looked at nearly 20,000 raccoon photos from iNaturalist. That's a platform that citizen scientists use to take photos of our masked bandits in the wild. They discovered that urban raccoons have snouts that are about 3.5% shorter than their rural cousins. That's a physical shift that's consistent with the early stages of domestication that we see in animals like cats and dogs. It might sound small, but actually it's a classic sign of something called domestication syndrome, the suite of traits that many domesticated animals pick up, like softer features, lower aggression, and a reduced fear of humans. And one of the reasons for this is supposed to be the fact that we leave out rubbish, or as Americans say, trash. This gives raccoons easy access to human food, and because of that reward, they can handle being near us more often without creating too much drama. And like most species, raccoons don't have to be bred in cages to evolve. This isn't selective breeding, it's natural selection in the city. So the raccoons that tolerate people and scavenge our waste survive and pass on the traits that make them more urban friendly. If you want to know more about the biology behind this, it's called neural crest domestication syndrome, which sounds a little bit sci-fi, but hold on. It means that the changes in the development of neural crest cells help to form things like facial structure and can explain why these raccoons are gaining domestication-like features. But they're not ready to be our pets just yet. They're still wild animals, they're not domesticated like dogs or cats, and they still carry many diseases. But it may be the case that as raccoons continue to evolve to tolerate humans, they might one day in the distant future turn into pets. I want to say it's kind of wild, but in this case I guess it's technically more like the opposite.